If you eat an avocado a day for a month, here's what will happen to you. Week 1, initial adjustments. At the beginning of your avocado journey, you'll likely notice a few immediate changes. Increased fullness. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados help keep you full, reducing the need for unhealthy snacks. Energy boost. Avocados are rich in B vitamins and healthy fats, providing a steady source of energy throughout the day. Improved digestion. The fiber in avocados promotes healthy digestion, helping to regulate bowel movements and reduce bloating. Week 2, visible changes. As you move into the second week, more noticeable changes begin to occur. Skin glow. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help keep your skin moisturized and glowing. Vitamin E and C also contribute to skin health, reducing dryness and improving texture. Better digestion. Continued fiber intake supports a healthy gut, further reducing digestive issues like constipation and bloating. Reduced cravings. The nutrient-dense avocado helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing sugar cravings and the tendency to snack on unhealthy foods. Week 3, enhanced benefits. By the third week, the benefits become even more pronounced. Hair and nail health. The biotin, vitamin E, and healthy fats in avocados strengthen your hair and nails, making them less prone to breakage and giving them a healthy shine. Improved mood. The omega-3 fatty acids and folate in avocados can contribute to better mood regulation, potentially reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Weight management. With improved satiety and reduced cravings, you might notice a slight decrease in weight as you naturally make healthier food choices. Week 4, overall well-being. By the final week, you'll experience the cumulative effects of eating an avocado a day. Heart health. Avocados are rich in potassium and monounsaturated fats, which can help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Enhanced cognitive function. The healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals support brain health, improving focus and cognitive function. Stronger immune system. The vitamin C, E, and other antioxidants in avocados boost your immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses more effectively. Beyond the month, long-term benefits. Continuing to include avocados in your diet can lead to long-term health benefits. Sustained energy levels. The steady energy provided by the healthy fats and B vitamins in avocados can keep you energized throughout your day. Chronic disease prevention. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in avocados may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Better overall nutrition. Avocados are nutrient-dense, providing a variety of essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. Conclusion. Incorporating an avocado into your daily diet for a month can lead to numerous health benefits, from improved skin and digestion to better heart health and mood. This simple dietary change can have a profound impact on your overall well-being, making you feel healthier and more vibrant. So why not give it a try and see the transformation for yourself?